Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na assemble minim say Kennedy Japan e the response ebeba NDC4 national chairman your friend no Samuel Ofosu Ampofo waden sembi aba betudwa na nsem a wokan ni nina ne say nsem a Kennedy Japan na nsen wako radio so akwa nina no sebe nyansa enim na minim say Kennedy Japan so there wo be kan dey say ya wonyekum wo be ba about e the one so wo fire ba so we are expecting Kennedy Japan to come and fire for some for again they see here. So last week me mamoti say Kennedy Japan a media tour. I mean he went to Nuya FM, he went to YFM, he went to Happy FM in some bebre wako Happy FM one a free fa kateche a free fa one no na call etwetwe nkomo na nkomo twetwe mu na politics ba ya na Kennedy Japan wo kasa wo politics na ho na Kennedy Japan ka assembly say new voters register no was say aban eye na de ntia was say aban ye ne say old voters register no NDC4 arege to the extent say NDC4 automatic 1.5 million votes. That is the answer na yebeto aba no NDC4 arege old register no ama answer na yebeto aba ne kra no na NDC4 1.5 million votes a eda ho emomo na nini na no dentia NDC4 arege ye and say company bi a from STL. Now sa STL company, I know this company, I know a branch of this company in Tema. I have been there before. Now company where your company bi a womo na handle Ghana biometric devices and this anyamano. I think they are an Israeli company. Womo aba set it up. Ghana has say they have I think they have a branch in Tema industrial area wa woni momubiano. Yes, STL, you're from Superlock Technologies Limited. I've been there before. They've actually shown me their server rooms and things. It's a very big company. Into Kennedy Japan say NDC4 any company abom ama NDC4 arege electoral system no ama NDC4 1.5 million automatic votes edaho. Enu hunti ena Ghana say ye new voters register no. Intino or no Kennedy Japan, he was speaking in favor of the new voters register. And no ena ofoswampo for Eden Sem abetuja say asemu Kennedy Japan ken sebe wo ye badwemba wo behu no se nyansa enim. Kennedy Japan can say STL for arege na time STL for rege ye no proud to 2016 elections no. Na dia ofoswampo for can say ampenya pa say STL for arege 1.5 million votes ama NDC4 eba ne say na NPP mu winning elections no with over 1 million votes because senanki arege amenya sure say mo NPP mu be winning election asemo ofoswampo for can no was say badwin ba bia no was say wodwen sa de ne na hu said the Kennedy Japan wakoti na Happy FM a walk no sebe nyansa enim because when I was say nipa kono ye wie mo ama no 1.5 million votes. Meanwhile you won the election with over 1 million votes. It's nipa kono wi a ye wie man no eno no ewa he eno ni asem a ofuso ampofo wo bisa na me person be yes me na make asem ahye na no nti no. Let me just say the quote. I quote in someone was say all Kennedy is saying doesn't make sense. Was say that Kennedy Japan can be a Sebinyan saying him. I say I don't know the basis of his arguments, and they used the same register to win elections. I don't know the kind of mathematics he's doing. Was say one no of some of one Kennedy Japan massa warrior. Like voters register here na mudi winning elections because tie and then Obibaka say ebia na NDC for win but you see there of some for Ekano there's a little bit of truth in it, and then let me just explain matters to you and you understand. Prior to 2016 elections no na wa na wo mo aban mu NDC inti ampenya pa say NDC wie mu a wo ya sure say nanka MPP mobile power na because ono ena na wo aban mu wo wie mu pa there was no way NPP should have won by over 1 million votes. Inti asemwa ofosompo foso kan no say ya na e wo aban mu wo kan say ya rege eye system no amayen say system no na ka ya rege amayen pa inti you sure say na ka wo beba be win elections no and they say elections no who win just like that too. You won with over 1 million votes. Asemwa ofosompo for work kan no it was a Kennedy Japan no ne mass enye na wono ofosompo so was say wo take Kennedy Japan mass a wo ya sepan dia no boa won ti ase ba ko say see the question is they should tell us why the register they used to win 2016 elections they want the same register to be changed. See MPP for entry and the mu 2016 register mu di winning ye no mo pesa mo sesa no. So they should come out and answer Ghanaians. And then you see maybe Ametremo say Asemba a young man share just one side. I know a lot of MPP people will support in Nsema Kennedy Japan Kano. But what they fan say NDC for area arege with 1.5 billion votes. They fan say the Kennedy Japan Kano e Moka MPP mu dey winning elections no. It is here MPP. Monso amoka chen say mo pese mo ye new register no. How sure are we say won so sebe won rege? You see there is no assurance. Because who claim say NDC arege 1.5 million votes. And the data on the grounds even doesn't show that. Because the same register na ye vote ye vote ma mo MPP for ma mo be win majority seats e parliament sa same register yi na ma Akufo-Addo your friend landslide win odi win ye unprecedented e Ghana ha say same register yi na no ye de to aba e ma assemblyman ni we no isi ba bonte be ka say it is a credible register yan kwangwati afei sa credible register na isi na nkasa last 2 years oba bonte me kan ye no afei de mo pese mo ma ye ti ase ene se sa register na enye credible biom na Nsema Kennedy Japan ne kan se NDC for omo ewie mo by 1.5 million votes. Okay, you fan say ene cre NDC for omo ewie mo by 1.5 million votes. Inti MPP for new one na ye be ye ne. What assurance can you give us say won so won wie mu? Because as far as I know, maybe the MPP ni NDC mu ye the same. You can't tell me anyone eji wo obi a won pe ne kre. MPP ni NDC wo mu ni na wo mo ye pe. Wo mo ye pe. And so if you are telling us say wo mo wie mu by 1.5 million voter, new one ye no. Then you say mo so MPP mu wie mu. You see what the whole thing is? One baby asemi na ewo. Asema wo for sample for work and no. Now voters register no baby akwa kodu yi. Se me catch up say still Ghana ye be ya. I don't know. That one there. But here and there the president will come and address the nation. Now and there's a president ever addressing the nation. Now waka say we lifted the ban on social gathering. Then clearly yeni ayebehu say Ghana just a voters register no. You bet you have to say yeah new voters register no. Na media asemo amementi ase asemo ofoso ampofo aka no. Yes. The American no there is a truth in it. Because adia enya say be a voters register no fen win you. Who dey win elections? Ebo Ghana has say. Then all of a sudden, me put the media and they say, okay, ya tia here. Na KPP ba aban mu, wo mo ba aban mu sa time na no mo ye say yensi sa voters register. Na ka yen na ye beti ase. But why is it that in the year ye be ba beto aba no? a few months to about one time no and I will back as a voters register. And why personally I am against that? They said, some new voters register, yeah, one, so who need Ghana card? I want to mean to Aba. Me Ghana card meaning, not just say new voters register, no, it will disenfranchise me and a lot of Ghanaians. So for me personally, I am against this new voters register. Why? Because I don't have Ghana card. Ghana card for Womoba me area say Womobeye. Me ko ahomachi, just say, will be on me fear ahomachi too. Now was sorry I still yenya yesa. Womo am enough time. You shall understand womo so mbeba biom. Womo amba oba me area nkofo bebre entumi anya Ghana card no because you kwa kosola ya say hey network I say na nkofo bebre. Some of us couldn't get the time to do it. If Ghana card and a year they call aqua new voters register. Not just say you are disenfranchising me and I brought for us and you disenfranchise a day. Just say, me no, me a Ghana ni, now so you are preventing me from voting. Meanwhile, old register no, now can you question me kwa koye we bia about to do a me kwa na makwa kotuma ba. So, echigu yo bia one person will back on the crib because our new voters register no. I dare say that she be ye beto abana e din send bebre beba. Because Ghana has say any European na why Ghana card no. Nipa kuno ebia wo nim wo bedu say wo kwa akoto abana yes new voters register one ye Ghana card ntie ma won to aba. Nipa kuno eye wo say ni beje. Ni ninje. Iti me de ne say abato no edu awie. Eye sa same register yi na MPP mu di wini ye. So you can't tell me say NDC for arege. Eye the same register na NDC arege a na ka wo fe wini. It is common sense. It is common sense. Eye same register na mu di wini ye. Nti me de me kan say wo de abato na edu awie. Yemfa old register na ento aba. Ni make sure say Ghana phone na beto aba. Ye to aba ni wie ni ye real next year mu pe ni ye hu ne say yes. Ye real next year the next abatoɔ 4 years ahead of us. Inti next year ye real mu ane ya sha say ye new voters register na ni de ni ehunu say yes. E kwan wo ye nim. Inti wo bia benya time aye registration no. Na wo be yusu sa few months say wo de be register. Wo ye wie na ye kɔ ne nkoto e de nsem bebre be baga na ha say. It is say dey we a simple logical. And I'm perform person better here. Na ye dey ade we ye politics. Na ye ye politics. But utte in some nasia obehun say dabi. It is not right for the new voters register now. E dey nsem bebre beba. Muntia mo ajo comment box ni mu. Etie for. Enye politics me da say.